Okay, so in this video, I'm showcasing this lead came in, the conversation sequence that it went through, and how the AI chatbot can save you tons of time and money with this. So if you don't use it from us, you should definitely use this in your business. If you're already getting leads that are coming through your business and you're tired of talking to tire kickers or people just wasting your time, it qualifies a lead, books them on your calendar, follows up with the lead, gives you an AI text summary, the whole thing. So I'll go through this and show you exactly what happened. And so this is actually yesterday, January 28th or 27th, rather. Today's the 28th. And so it sends him, as a lead came in, it sends him an email, a link. I get the notification. I actually did call him right away, which I don't normally do. I let usually the AI take over, but I was like, I'm in between meetings. I'll just give him a call. And of course, I spoke to him for 3 minutes and he was busy, of course, working on his truck or whatever. And then it followed up with him like an hour or two later. And he said he was interested, blah, blah, blah. And usually those people have said they're busy. Everybody's busy, but they just like don't want to talk or whatever. And I totally get it. Anyway, so it followed up with him and it's asking him this question: what kind of projects would you like to get more of? More details are better. So he responded. And so this went on for a few minutes, right? And you can read all this stuff too. Basically, I'm asking a series of questions in a specific manner to qualify him to get to the next step, which is book an appointment. Like that's a whole goal of the AI chatbot, right? And so he's responding back, but this is a cool part. So hang in there. I'm going to show you this. The cool part is it loses him for like almost an hour, like 45 minutes, right? And it responded back. So 5:57:30, 45 minutes later, it responded back to him, and then he did respond back. If you were doing this on your own, you would probably forget to respond back. Not only that, it can simultaneously follow up with hundreds, thousands of leads even at the same time, and for multiple days or weeks even, right? And so again, and it loses him again for like 45 minutes, right? And then he responded back. I blurred out his information. It's got his email and his phone number and stuff. But anyway, so it's asking him now. So he leaves his email and then it's asking him what time zone he's in because we get leads all over the country. And then it's asking him morning and afternoons for the consultation. So it's qualifying him enough to go in. And then he's picking a time. Now, it gave him 2 times in the afternoon. If this didn't work for him, it would just give him 2 more times available slots on your calendar. All right, so then he's all set. It sends him an email confirmation and a text confirmation. The other cool part is it sends me an AI text summary of the whole call, right? And then it sends his phone and email, which I don't have it on there. And so like I know immediately like what just happened, when the phone consultation is. It reminds me about that too. And then it actually calls me at the time of his consultation. But so it's very powerful for your business to take over and give you back that time, save you tons of time. And also everybody knows time is money, saves you a ton of money in your business. And it could do this if you have a steady flow of leads already in your business. If not, we can run ads for you that too. But if you already have that and you just want like this chatbot, also have one for the AI voice. It does basically essentially the same thing. It's just when they call in, or can't do outbound calls just yet, but it can. If they call in, it could basically replace your receptionist and save you, whatever they cost you a year. It could do even more than that because it can talk to multiple people at once. And here's the best part is they never call in sick and they never complain. And it's probably a lot cheaper than you think. So if you can use something like this in your business and you think it's very powerful and you can benefit from that, save you tons of time and money, reach out to me, drop me a comment below wherever this video is. And you just have a conversation about it and see if it's the right fit for you. So again, anyway, I just want to showcase this. Hope this helps somebody in your business. If not from me, from somebody else that you can benefit from this, as it does help tons. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.